I said let's go on a train.
You want to run the train? Who you running the train on?
Yeah. We're going on the green one too. Fuck it.
Fuck it. The whole time, nigga. What the fuck? I like this train.
I'm telling you, man.
I feel like I'm in fucking Demon Slayer. You feel me?
I don't know, bitches Harry Potter. You don't know where the
Fuck.
Hogwarts right now.
Nah, nigga, it ain't Harry Potter. This train ass, bro. Ain't no good fucking loot.
It stopped at the.
Ooh, don't die, bitch.
There's people here.
How you know?
Just saw them running.
God damn! I fucked you in the fucking ass, nigga.
Another one.
Your squad mate is in the gulag now. If they survive, they redeploy.
Oh my god! Paying.
Be advised,
Paying.
Intel has located multiple
I already known about that shotgun.
Nigga, what? I'm rocking this for now on, nigga. You
Get them just like them boys in the video. You already tough.
You said what?
You did them just like them boys in the video. You already tough.
I don't know what you talking about, Lois.
Time. Contract failed.
Where the fuck that shit at?
Loadout drop on the way.
I got a level 2. That's good. You feel like buying a UAV?
Oh, I feel like buying a UAV. Bitch, I'm invincible. Drop me some money.
Hold on. I gotta pick up this shotgun. There you go. Gotta pick up this shotgun.
Power. Turtle power.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. They be fucking up my childhood when I see these horrible shows they bringing. Pop that UE. Pop that UE.
Friendly UAV on station.
Oh yeah, I'm climbing up this tower.
To the AO.
If you thought you was getting that loaded, you wasn't. Nigga, where that nigga at? Oh, that was that same nigga I just killed then. That's sad. He got fucked in. Peyton, just look at this. I'm a dickhead.
Alright. They're in there. Looks like one of them died in the cluster.
Mm-hmm.
He's right here in this corner. I can't ping it. It's right where your ping is.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Found him. Come out with your hands up. Oh my god, this shotgun's filthy. Pay. Oh, this is self. Fuck, I'm going for self. Come by yourself, Peyton. Buy yourself and then we're gonna buy us a UE.
Black site is clear. Area secure.
Oh, somebody got bought back at this buy station. Drop me your money? Oh, yeah. And you can pick up the UAV. Ain't no way. We finessing niggas. I ain't trusting niggas. Finessing niggas. Hey, you want to see a jump you didn't know about?
Moving in. New safe zone
Oh, you better go back in your
And
spot.
jump on it. Hell yeah.
Whoa.
Got a good sniper.
Nigga, you... Damn, tell him, Payne. Tell him you the OG, bitch.
I tell you, I just needed a sight.
Moving here. Moving here.
I'm like that, yeah, I know.
Squad wipe?
Yeah. Payne, don't play with me, nigga.
Yeah.
You know how I get fucking
Shit,
down.
I'm asking.
You know how I get down, nigga. Fuck them niggas, bro. RPK is still good. Like, they didn't patch that shit. I'm still fucking niggas up, bro. Damn, they didn't have shit but ammo. You know, I appreciate it.
Oh my god. I needed them plates too.
I mean, damn, I'm gonna have to get rid of the smoke. Cause I'm gonna need this ammo soon. Nah, I'm gonna need that smoke.
Get to the new safe zone.
I mean, shoot, where we gonna go now? I mean, I'm about to go here and probably camp that Lodi. That's probably about it.
There's gonna be people pushing in from over here.
Been reduced.
Yeah. Nah, these should have
That's
had at
a
least
fire
one of that.
sale.
There was a team over here. Like, literally a team over here.
Vehicle marked.
In this
Moving
area.
here.
There's a way for me to have height right now without going back to that damn tower.
You can't risk
Oh,
it.
flying.
Mark.
Going to the side. Is this your mark? Oh, that shit off the
Oh, that shit a fire sale? When the last time they did that shit? I mean, this shit might end up in the open.
Oh, teammate. Hit him.
I'm getting aimed from my left.
To our left, to our left.
Yeah.
Broke his plates.
Find me.
Down him.
Your team is in the safe zone.
Got him. Nah, this shotgun's crazy.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Be careful, Payne. We might have to get a building right here. That's what he at? Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Adjusting prices.
In the window.
Enemy movement. Throwing grenade. Deploying portable radar.
See one right here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Aim far right. We gotta get out of this area.
Enemy UAV active.
Damn.
Now it's a ghost town.
The other one is right here.
Where?
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
He downstairs? Got both.
Bro, what the?
Victory rests on your shoulders. Finish the mission.
All he's got is a pistol.
Ahí viene, ahí viene, ahí viene. Ahí viene, bajo atrás, bajo atrás. Ahí está, ya me lo colé.